Just think about this. When the whole world's eyes were on Elon Musk, when everyone was speculating that the next big EV breakthrough would come from Tesla, at that very moment, Japan's most trusted company quietly made its move. No grand stage, no flashy event, no social media hype. But suddenly, an electric car appeared that forced Tesla, BYD, and other EV giants to rethink their strategies. Its name is the Toyota BZ5. While other companies made noise about range, charging, and features, Toyota was quietly working on something else entirely. That's why a question now echoes throughout the industry. Why did Toyota do all this so silently? Is the BZ5 just another electric car, or is it part of Toyota's long-term strategy that could gradually turn the entire EV game on its head? This story isn't just about a new EV, it's about a mindset that proves true revolutions don't always come with a bang. Sometimes they arrive silently, and by the time people understand them, the entire game has already changed. When we talk about Toyota's philosophy, it's crucial to understand that Toyota has never been a company that chases trends. While every company vies to be first and fastest, Toyota has always chosen a different path. Observe first, understand, learn, and then take a step that will last long-term. This is why people often say Toyota arrives late, but when it does, it changes the entire game. Toyota has consistently sold around 10 million vehicles every year, even becoming the world's #1 automobile company on several occasions. Such massive numbers don't come from advertising alone. They come from trust built over decades, one car at a time. Then came the era of hybrids. While other companies debated the future of fuel, Toyota launched the Prius. Many mocked it, saying the technology wouldn't work, but Toyota remained patient, collected data, learned from customers, improved the technology, and today Toyota is the hybrid leader. The same pattern is now visible in EVs. People ask why Toyota is so late to the electric vehicle market, but the real question should be, what is Toyota preparing for? A company that sells millions of cars every year cannot make hasty decisions. Toyota understands that EVs shouldn't just be for the wealthy or early adopters, but for the mass market. That's why it first learns and tests on a smaller scale before taking bigger steps. This is Toyota's true strength. It doesn't get carried away by emotions about the future, but makes decisions based on data, experience, and ground realities. When Toyota chose the name BZ for its electric cars, it wasn't random. BZ stands for Beyond Zero. Understanding this is crucial. It's the foundation of the entire BZ5 philosophy. Typically, when we talk about EVs, most companies repeat the same things: zero emissions, zero fuel costs, zero noise. But Toyota's thinking goes beyond that. Toyota argues that if you're only focusing on zero emissions but ignoring reliability, usability, and long-term dependability, then it's an incomplete revolution. Beyond Zero means not only avoiding harm to the environment, but improving people's daily lives. The BZ5 is a practical manifestation of this philosophy. Toyota believes an EV shouldn't be an experiment, but a car you can drive for years without worry, just like people still comfortably drive 10 to 15-year-old Toyota cars today. Now, when it comes to design, the BZ5 isn't a car that screams, "I'm from the future," at first glance. Many EVs seem deliberately designed to be overly aggressive and flashy, but Toyota takes a different approach. The BZ5's design is futuristic but not over-designed. Its body lines are clean, smooth, and practical. This car isn't designed for those who simply want attention, but for those who will be driving it every day. The interior reflects this too. Many EVs today feel like you've stepped into a spaceship. Screens everywhere, buttons gone, everything controlled by touch. The BZ5 incorporates technology, but it's designed with the user in mind. The driver isn't overwhelmed. Essential information is clearly displayed, controls are logically placed, and the cabin maintains a calm, serene feel. Toyota believes good design shouldn't require you to think, it should be intuitively understood. When it comes to batteries and technology, this is where Toyota truly stands out. Today, the EV market is caught in a strange race. Who can install the biggest battery, claim the longest range, and boast the fastest charging? But instead of joining the crowd, Toyota sits back and asks a crucial question. Will all of this still work just as well 5 or 10 years from now? Toyota's EV technology is built not on flashy claims, but on durability, safety, and long-term performance. Instead of pushing the battery to its absolute limits, Toyota keeps it within a safe operating zone. This means that while its battery specifications might seem conservative on paper, in real life, that same battery remains stable for longer, withstands more charge-discharge cycles, and doesn't experience sudden degradation. Today, most companies use range as a marketing tool. 400 kilometers, 500 kilometers, 700 kilometers. But Toyota asks, how much of this range is actually usable? How far do most people drive in their daily lives? Toyota seeks answers to these questions. It believes if a car claims 600 kilometers on paper but consistently delivers only 420 to 445 kilometers in real-world conditions, it's better to state the real-world usable range up front. Toyota isn't afraid of people saying its range is low because it knows the range it quotes will hold true in everyday use. This consistency is Toyota's real strength. Battery health is also crucial. Most people look at first-year performance when buying an EV, but Toyota thinks about the 5th, 7th, and 10th years. If a battery is constantly operated at maximum limit, its capacity degrades after a few years. Toyota wants to slow down this degradation. The advantage? Even if initial numbers seem low, performance remains stable over the long term. An EV whose battery doesn't degrade quickly maintains a stronger position in the resale market. Toyota's philosophy is straightforward. An EV is not a smartphone you replace every 2 or 3 years. A car is a long-term commitment. Therefore, its technology should also be long-term. When it comes to pricing strategy, this is where the BZ5 could quietly surprise the entire EV industry. There's a clear problem in the EV market today. Either cars are prohibitively expensive or they're so packed with new technology that the average person is intimidated. Many people want to buy an EV, but they have underlying fears. What if the battery fails? What if I don't understand the technology? What if I lose money on resale? Toyota understands these fears. That's why the BZ5's price isn't just set to look cheap, but to make people feel it's a safe decision. The BZ5 is positioned in a sweet spot where the customer feels, yes, I can buy this without taking too much risk. Toyota's biggest weapon is that it doesn't just sell a car, it sells the entire ownership experience. When a customer looks at the price, they consider maintenance, the service network, spare parts, and resale value. Toyota's global service network is so robust that people know if anything goes wrong, a solution will be available. The BZ5 breaks the perception that EVs are premium experiments meant only for big cities and tech enthusiasts. It says that an EV can be a normal, everyday car that you can buy without overthinking it. Now, let's talk about the real threat to Tesla and BYD. There's no direct competition because all three companies sell different things. Tesla sells innovation, excitement, and futuristic experience. BYD sells speed and scale, rapid expansion and volume. But Toyota sells something else entirely: trust. Trust might sound like a small word, but in the mass market, it's the most valuable currency. When an average family buys a car, they don't ask, "Does it have the latest technology?" They ask, "Will it give me trouble?" Toyota has been addressing this question for decades. In a new segment like EVs, this trust becomes even more valuable. Toyota's real attack on Tesla and BYD isn't on the front lines, but in the middle ground. It's targeting customers who are too conservative for Tesla and too cautious for BYD. The BZ5 could be a bridge for them, a safe entry point into the world of EVs. When it comes to the connection between China and the global market, many people think launching the BZ5 in only a few select markets first is a limitation, but the reality is the opposite.